Hello Millville families, welcome back to the episode Behind the Orange and Blue. I am Superintendent Dr. Matt Mazzoni, and the purpose of our episodes will be to look at our past events and also what's coming ahead. And we want to just continue to celebrate all the wonderful things happening here in Millville Public Schools. Our first highlight is from our elementary schools, and it pertains to our family reading nights. So we are now starting year 2 of our family reading night, and first and foremost want to thank Miss Nancy Gandy, who has taken the reins to set it up, and thank you to all the teachers that are volunteering with that. So what can you learn with attending our family reading night? Number one, families. Parents, you can become a home coach. So we are going to prepare you how you can support your children at home when they bring their books home. So we have a lot of different activities, how we can assist you and your child with that. So we do have the 100 book reading challenge. So that's just one piece of that. The other thing that you're going to see when you come to one of our family reading nights is you're going to be in an escape the room. So escape room, you've probably been to one before. This is a little variation. So you'll sit alongside your child and learn different strategies with that, all tied to our ARC reading program. So another great event. And what else? We're going to be serving dinner for you. So you don't miss this. We had Bacon Elementary already hosted one, and we have them all throughout next week and so forth. So please take a look at your calendar, your school calendar, and try to attend one of those events. And now I would like to do some highlights from our secondary program. And we're not going to go far. We're going to stay right on those athletic fields because Millville Bolts, we are shining right now. And we're going to start with our football team. So I know you heard about our football team and the great things that are happening. We are number 1 in South Jersey. I'm going to say we're the number 1 public school in the state of New Jersey. And this week, tomorrow on Friday, we are hosting Winslow. So they are also undefeated, I believe, and they're coming here. It's going to be 1 versus number 2. So if you're planning on coming, make sure you buy your tickets online. Go to our school website, millville.org, and get your tickets because I imagine it's going to be sold out. So when it sells out, there's going to be no more tickets. So tickets are online for purchase. So make sure you do that. We're going to now move and talk about our field hockey team. Superb start right now. So they are 7-1, one of the top teams. You know it's been a top program in South Jersey, and they keep rolling. One more thing I want to highlight is next Thursday, the big showdown. So we have boys and girls soccer under the lights at Wheaton Field against the school from across the way, Vineland. So looking forward to that. Hopefully you're coming out. Both teams will be under the lights next Thursday. 2 upcoming events that I want to bring to everyone's attention is number 1, on Wednesday, October 23rd, Millville High School is hosting our 8th grade open house for our students and families. So please come on out. And what are you going to learn at this day? This is a great opportunity for you to learn about all the wonderful offerings that your child can have when they attend Millville. So I already spoke to you about the great sports team. So that's just one piece of it. There's a whole nother aspect that your child can just blossom here in Millville. So we have career technical educations that are just a vast number of CTE programs, that's what we call it, that your child can attend. Also, the amount of offerings for your child that we can offer them AP courses, honor classes. So we want you to come out, learn about the great offerings right here in Millville Public Schools. Also, another thing I want to draw your attention to is the Week of Respect. So all schools in New Jersey will recognize the Week of Respect starting on October 7th. And that is to put a stop to bullying. So we have a lot of fun activities planned throughout the district. A few that I'm excited about we have a tie-dye day. We also have Give Bullying the Boot. So students get to wear all different kinds of boots. And like I said, it's not just for students. Staff, I hope you're participating in it as well. And on Thursday, we're going to be wearing our school colors, the orange and blue. So look forward to those two events. But again, I'm going to keep reiterating, make sure families, you're attending that 8th grade open house at the high school. My last update to all of our families is to make sure you get in your school meals benefit application in as soon as possible. So you can find that on our school website, and for the first time, we have it offered in many different languages. So we have it in English, Spanish, and also Haitian Creole. So it is so important that all families, and I'm going to reiterate that all families are filling out the school meal benefit application, and we need that in by October 15th. So please do everything in your power to get them in to the district. And last but not least, you can follow us on social media, check our website regularly. Schools will be sending out monthly newsletters. We want to make sure we're connecting with our families and behind the orange and blue. Everything that is happening here, keep you informed. That is important. That's one of our missions here in Millville. But I'm going to close with saying, go Bolts. Have a great day, everyone.